It's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult.
She's going to be a doctor. She's going to be a doctor. She's going to be a doctor.
I'm going to stop smoking. I'm going to stop smoking. I'm going to stop smoking.
I'm going to spend a week in Italy. I'm going to spend a week in Italy. I'm going to spend a week in Italy.
What are you going to do after work? What are you going to do after work? What are you going to do after work?
I'm planning to travel this summer. I'm planning to travel this summer. I'm planning to travel this summer.
He's planning to retire next year. He's planning to retire next year. He's planning to retire next year.
She's planning to take a day off. She's planning to take a day off. She's planning to take a day off.
Who are you planning to invite? Who are you planning to invite? Who are you planning to invite?
How long are you planning to stay? How long are you planning to stay? How long are you planning to stay?
I'm thinking about my future. I'm thinking about my future. I'm thinking about my future.
I'm thinking about changing jobs. I'm thinking about changing jobs. I'm thinking about changing jobs.
I'm thinking about getting a pet. I'm thinking about getting a pet. I'm thinking about getting a pet.
I haven't thought about it yet. I haven't thought about it yet. I haven't thought about it yet.
Have you thought about asking for help? Have you thought about asking for help? Have you thought about asking for help?
I've decided to study abroad. I've decided to study abroad. I've decided to study abroad.
We've decided to cancel the trip. We've decided to cancel the trip. We've decided to cancel the trip.
They've decided to reduce the price. They've decided to reduce the price. They've decided to reduce the price.
They've decided to postpone the meeting. They've decided to postpone the meeting. They've decided to postpone the meeting.
Have you decided to take the job? Have you decided to take the job? Have you decided to take the job?
I hope to see her there. I hope to see her there. I hope to see her there.
I hope to pass the exam. I hope to pass the exam. I hope to pass the exam.
I hope to get a promotion this year. I hope to get a promotion this year. I hope to get a promotion this year.
I'm hoping to get there before noon. I'm hoping to get there before noon. I'm hoping to get there before noon.
Are you hoping to get a raise? Are you hoping to get a raise? Are you hoping to get a raise?
She's supposed to arrive at 10. She's supposed to arrive at 10. She's supposed to arrive at 10.
I'm supposed to submit this report today. I'm supposed to submit this report today. I'm supposed to submit this report today.
You're not supposed to tell anyone. You're not supposed to tell anyone. You're not supposed to tell anyone.
She's supposed to be at work now. She's supposed to be at work now. She's supposed to be at work now.
The job is supposed to be stressful. The job is supposed to be stressful. The job is supposed to be stressful.